Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Be that as it may, in the event that the information source isn't veritable or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a fiasco. Chiliz, the specialized investigation. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. Just in the span of 30 minutes of send-off, it had surfaced on the trade with insight about accomplishing the degree of 1 cent contrasted with its opponents like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most elevated heightening in cost to $0 a solitary Chiliz. Be that as it may, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0 of pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that happened last year is corresponded to the declaration made by the Chiliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During the November 2020, Chiliz cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. In any case, the exhibition of Chiliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 3 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz reflected colossal development, and it denoted another untouched high at the 89 cents mark. In any case, from that point onward, the token confronted slight amendment. However, later, it held 40 cents cost level. In last April, the CHZ cost stamped monstrous convention and contacted 75 cents. However, later, it rectified down to 21 cents mark. Then, at that point, the cost of Chiliz went until the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark, yet later, it confronted sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it checked huge recuperation and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In any case, subsequent to hitting 50 cents, according to negative signs, Chiliz has checked non-stop negative pattern and presently, it exchanges around 25 cents. Content for CHZ conjecture referenced on the site. Content depends on our expectation of least cost, opposition level, greatest cost, and different markers. We demand you truly do possess research proposing projected greatest cost, conjectured value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz estimate. Specialists say on Chiliz coin cost forecast uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful gauge predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. As per Chiliz coin cost expectation specialists, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz as the cost might cross 79 cents in the following 1 year. Constantly, and the normal most extreme cost might be around 73 cents, which is plus 265% the ongoing cost. In January 2022, the cost began with 27 cents. According to Chiliz Cost Forecast 2022, Chiliz cost will be 24 cents before the year's over, with a hopeful pattern posing a potential threat in the impending not many years between 34 cents minus 50 cents. We have made an aggressive bullish pattern for 2022 according to our Chiliz cost expectation specialist. It claims 2022 will be an immaculate year for Chiliz considering all elements, and the resource could reach as high as $1.13 by long-term's time, independent of its reception. CHZ cost expectation 2022 demonstrates CHZ will more often than not face intensity and show obstruction till August 1 year from now. Going by Chiliz cost expectations that bulls might be back, Chiliz ought to wind up somewhat higher, around 28 cents by 2024, best case scenario, on the cost diagram. CHZ will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of unwavering quality implanted in this cash. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Beating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its exhibition later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent insight about computerized coins. The worth of opposition level R1, R2, and R3 are 19 cents, 20 cents, and 20 cents individually. At the hour of composing this specialized investigation and Chiliz estimate, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 20 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ as $187,924,845 and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366 with a flowing stockpile of $5,344,064,580 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. CHZ Value Forecast proposes that CHZ could give a decent return by acquiring a sought-after position among the computerized coins, most likely in the following 5 years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chiliz cost gauged by CHZ cost expectation has not soared on the trade ascending to greatness. One conspicuous truth that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is digging in for the long haul. Increment. Fill in the market in full sprout according to underneath Chiliz cost forecasts. Chiliz Value Expectation 2022. CHZ estimate predicts the Chiliz value equivalent to 28 cents will stay over time. Chiliz digital currency can exchange with a base cost as low as 20 cents. Chiliz cost expectation 2022 by specialists assess Chiliz cost to exchange around 26 cents in Q2, 28 cents in Q3, and 29 cents in Q4. The street ahead is loaded with pedals according to CHZ cost conjecture. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling point of the greatest cost of 30 cents. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the cryptographic money market. Chiliz cost expectation expects the CHZ cost is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin value expectation uncovers Chiliz will presumably be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time. At any rate, momentary counter developments or even redresses in the coin are by anticipated. Chiliz could draw in significantly more consideration before long. The Chiliz cost will positively not be unaffected for impending days. Chiliz value expectation 2023. CHZ has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the CHZ with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost degree of 51 cents as projected most extreme cost. If the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost figure with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 24 cents. Our Chiliz value expectations depend on transient specialized examination done by showcase specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unpredictable with high gamble included. Chiliz is entering an exceptionally cutthroat and heartless space, off-chain scaling. Given the posting on the regarded expectation stage, a clear cost flood in CHZ USD can absolutely be anticipated. Chiliz value expectation 2024. There are many hypotheses proceeding for CHZ coin cost expectation, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There are presumptions in light of market cost forecasts that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 42 cents. CHZ gauge predicts the greatest cost, least cost to be 50 cents and 30 cents individually. Before you choose to buy CHZ, look for a well-qualified assessment to advance your technique choices assessing market cap, projected Chiliz cost, obstruction level, and so on to limit the dangers implied